Actually, today we'll start AutoMapper, and in the AutoMapper database table map with the model. For that, we need add a library NuGet package and map NuGet package. AutoMapper. This is installed on there. Actually, I install. Then I open this AutoMapper extension Microsoft. This is AutoMapper NuGet package. Through this, we do it.
Okay.
After that, I create one folder. Mappings. And inside the mapping, create the class. Employee profile. Employee profile. And on here, inherit profile. Profile a class of AutoMapper. Through this, we need this for the mapping. This is a predefined class profile. Open this definition. This is a configuration for the map. This is library. So this mapping, all thing need to mapping. And after that,
That's a default one, now.
yes, this is a library of AutoMapper. For mapping table to map, use this library. This is a create map. Create map. Go to the file. Touch on here. This is library on here. Create map. This is function. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. If I not add this, then create map will not come in. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. For that we need profile. Profile. Create map. There create map need two parameter. This is showing T source, T
Source and
destination.
destination.
T source. So source, what is the source? On here, database table.
So yeah, table.
Database table imply or department. Just like imply. EMP hello by imply. Correct? Destination?
Employee profile.
Yes. Yeah. Dot. Dot for member. This is showing conflict of individual member for member on here. Pass the individual member means you can pass on here property for member.
Okay.
Or member pass the property on here, like destination to source. There is a
Mm-hmm.
destination, there is a source, then
Mm-hmm.
you need to pass in for member destination. The destination need to on here lambda expression destination dot
Okay.
property name. First property name is employee on here, not is coming. Uh, for member there is this profile create mail and it's not coming. This employee profile. Okay. Yeah. On here something issue. What is wrong on here? Please tell me.
Employee.
Create map destination
Employee.
on
Yeah.
here.
Employee profile.
Yes, this is wrong. Actually, we need on here. I have the, source correct, but destination
Mm-hmm.
pass to model. Actually, a pass
Mm.
same class correct on here. Pass the employee MPLO employee
View
view
model.
model. Pass the employee view model source to destination and first property is employee ID comma after that destination just
Model.
opposite है ना
Mm.
OPG dot opposite. OPG means opposite. Opposite.
Okay.
You can write something as you want. Map from destination. Map from destination.
Map.
Destination is equal
Destination.
to lambda expression destination dot imply. Correct? For member. For member
Mm-hmm.
on here something went wrong. SRC.
Destination will come employee ID, ID only.
The destination imply. Actually, we need just open the table.
Source employee ID.
Just open. Actually, on here, what we need to mapping employee on here employee ID. Correct?
Yeah.
I'm mapping this employee ID destination and opposite map from SRC source. SRC means source. You can write ABCD something or write on here is X and on here by nothing. As a understanding, this is a source, this is a destination. Okay, on here, this is a one is same as another for member for member, destination, destination dot destination dot name, comma, let's copy, and here name, and here P, and here address, and here address, here department ID, and here department ID. And then enter department ID, employee ID, name, address, department ID, and other is department name, department, department name, department, department or NRE. Actually, department name is come from the department table. Department table. Map. Just 1 second. Yes. Department dot name. Then employee ID, name, address, department ID, and department name. This is mapping. And after that, dot reverse. Reverse map. There is a this is used for the only this line of code is for the AutoMapper from database table to model. Create map, database table, database table. This is a UI model, and for memory for the properties, and map from which you are mapping. Destination, this is a source, and reverse map with the two-way binding. Database to model, model to database. This is for the reverse binding, means two-way binding. This is using Angular, like you can understand Angular, then there is a two-way binding. There is a complete code of employee table. Understand this code of line of code?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay. Then create another class for department.
Okay.
In the department, please tell me what to write because you understand all things.
Yeah.
Department profile. Department profile. Yes. 1 year. What I do? Just
Profile.
yes, correct. Profile. Okay. Then create constructor. This line of code aid in the constructor only, not other. This is
Okay.
a constructor,
Mm-hmm.
default constructor. Inside the default constructor, you write this code.
Okay.
And then create map, correct?
Yeah.
Destination to source, destination table, table name, department,
Department.
yes,
Department view model.
comma, source, department,
View model.
correct. Code for member, destination, lambda expression, destination dot department ID,
ID.
comma, lambda map from t dot map from
Department ID.
src src dot department ID. This just copy this line and paste on here department ID and the name. There is two column in the department table.
Department.
Name and on here name dot reverse map. There is a use for the two-way data binding. This is a code of line of code for the department table only. Understanding?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is a folder. There is two classes for mapping, auto mapping, and one library 8 AutoMapper. This is for, and after that, one another setting in the program.cs file. In the program.cs file, we add AutoMapper property.
Okay.
Then builder dot
In .NET Core, everything we need to add from our side, right? In program.cs.
yes. Actually, this is a you can understand in the old technology glover.scx file.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
on here on there we need to register or after that some another file I'm not remember, but this is a base class parent. On here application level you need to register on application level. When the application run, then first run the program.cs file. You can say program.console application program.cs file. Same as this is a class. Restructure this class, but same as program.cs file in console application.
Okay.
Services dot eight. You know of type of, what's the type of?
Mm, type on like mm, program.
You type of use for if you convert from this value, then they convert this value into this value. Program. This value convert into the string. When I write this type of code, just I open in the console.
Converted into string.
Yes, this convert into a
Okay.
string type of. You just check this what is working. Can I show or you can check?
I'll check it.
Okay. And this is we need to register this builder.service.automapper, and on here we need this is a DB connection. Yeah. After that, this is a library data access layer and entity number. And after that, we start the mm, so the I use the AutoMapper model in the controller level. Okay.
Got it.
Then use iMapper. This is a iMapper is a interface. This is iMapper interface of Mapper library. Open this. This is so AutoMapper.iMapper.
Okay.
iMapper. I can when I pass parameter or object in the constructor, which is called this type of syntax. You can say what is things on there in the C sharp, or what is the concept? Initialize object on here, pass object on here, and assign on here. This is no as dependency injection.
Yeah.
DI.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
All all things I will saying. This is interview question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There is a on here I am mapping through this on here. This will remove if you are using AutoMapper.
Okay.
Then comment this code, comment this code, and write where departments is equal to underscore tv dot department dot select p dot to list. This
No
is
need to
data.
write any p dot something.
No, you can
Correct.
something you can x
Mhm.
something you can write on it. This is wherever. And this is a database table. And after that, I where model is equal to underscore mapper dot
Okay.
map
Mm.
on here map I enumerable. You know the in I enumerable,
Yeah, yeah.
I enumerable or I curable.
Yeah, this will help to to check the queryable is used to check the data from the database. This will help to check the data from the objects or list.
Yes, yes, correct. This means there is a only difference. Actually, you can say like you can in SQL query data filter in the database. Same as you can say mm,
Mm.
like queryable filter data in database, then come in the C sharp and but
Okay.
I enable all data come from the database and filter on C sharp. There is difference
Okay.
and return this. This is mapper. I create the property instance of mapper. Assign this on here. Create this object on here. A map property of mapper. I enable this is a mapper, correct? And
Yeah.
set value. This is a database table. This is a
Mm-hmm.
department table. Variable name. This department table convert into the department department view model.
The model.
Okay, only two line of code you can convert. Uh, Suppose that you have one table, you have 20 column or 50 column. Then you can convert only there is a only two row. Through
Okay.
this you can convert. But if you are not using AutoMapper, then you write this syntax, and there is a property suppose like on here two. Then you write on there 50 column on here. This. So through the AutoMapper, you can remove line of code on here as a control level.
Okay.
And then run this. Yes, on here. There is a department. Data is coming on
Mm.
here through the AutoMapper.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
understand this point? The
Yeah,
same
yeah.
as you can do for the employee if you
For
have time in
everything
the.
like edit, update, everything we can do.
Yes, yes. Just
Mm.
I am shown in the list, then I complete the
Ah.
department, correct?
Okay.
And then after that, you have assignment for employee. I just for the do on all things on create and edit. There is a comment code on here only. I just commented.
Mm-hmm.
Your yeah, this is a create. This is a valid. Okay. I remove this line of code. No, I mean this line of code. Enter. If valid, then there is a this line of meant department is equal to underscore mapper dot map here. This is a model. This is a model map to the department table. Will set in the department this. Okay. This is a department table. This is a mapper through map. This is a department table, and this is a UI model.
Mm.
This is UI model. UI
Okay.
model map to the department table to the mapper and set to the
Okay.
on department uh, department table value set on this variable this object. Same
Okay.
line, this line. This is underscore
Mm-hmm.
db department at same this line department on here set value on here mapper dot map. This is a if this is a department table. This is a model, UI model.
Okay.
Understand this line?
Yeah.
You have some confusion? Please tell me.
No, no.
Okay. And then you can also write on here. This is a department and set on here. Just like this code. This type. Only comment this line, replace this line to this line. And leave it save changes. Only this line of code for AutoMapper for create.
Okay.
Then uh, just I edit also some or just run this. Just run. Okay. And open create new department. New department DevOps create and then create through the AutoMapper. I create
Okay.
data through the AutoMapper. and also I am editing. Then edit first, get data in edit, then change on here. There is a find data on here department, and after that I comment this line of code and add on here. If model not is equal to null, then model is equal to underscore mapper dot
Mhm.
map department view model and data. Okay. On here, this data is set to the department view model, database table to UI model
Mm. Okay.
through mapper, through underscore mapper dot map UI model database model, database table. Only this line of code, one line of for the mapping for edit. This is a complete code. You can edit,
Okay.
and after this, insert the edit data. On here also we need to change. This is comment. Understand? Comment on here. Department. Tell me. Department is equal to. This is intelligence. Mapper map
Mhm.
department model
Model.
and update. This is line of code. Complete this line of code for mapper. We can do.
Okay. Okay.
And on delete case, we no need to mapping, because in delete only I have delete, no mapping in one object to another object. This I saw,
Mhm.
I set value on here. I am not mapping on there, correct? Only I
Yes.
delete. So on here, no need to. When mapping data, this is list, create, edit on another some scenario, then you need to auto mapper, correct? And
Yeah.
just edit. And I added this IT